Okay, just hoping this microphone is working good. YouTube, I want to talk to y'all tonight about Governor Brian Kemp. He is the governor for the state of Georgia. In the next week or so, I'm gonna say week, a lot of our businesses will go ahead and reopen. That being like gyms and barbershops, beauty salons, some restaurants, and a few other businesses. And then I think the following week, some more businesses will start to open as well. And then May the 15th, that's when all our clubs, bars, and pretty much everything else will go ahead and open back up, right? So it was mighty funny to me today, April 22nd, or yesterday, I'm sorry, was the day that if you file for unemployment and you didn't get it, they're now going to, like give other ways in order to be able to get accepted or be eligible to get unemployment. So it's kind of funny that you announced that all this stuff is going to start back opening up once this bill has been passed to get PUA benefits. That's like pandemic unemployment benefits or something like that. That's kind of ironic. I feel like this is just a thing of, hey, they done gave away too much money in the state of Georgia and Governor Kemp wants to save some money. Now, my thing is, are you worried about saving money or are you worried about saving lives? Because it's already been stated that the governor himself stated that while he does want to open everything back up, he knows that the coronavirus cases will go up. So already that our cases are actually going up as we speak, with everything still being under the shutdown. And you're also stating that for a fact our cases are going to go up, but you're going to open it up anyway. What fucking sense does that make? Excuse me for cussing. Now, also, I feel as though you, as the governor of the state, you have a responsibility. That responsibility is not money. That responsibility is the people of the state. They also state that the president himself has a problem with the fact that Governor Kemp wants to reopen the state of Georgia. Why do you want to do that, Governor Kemp? You got to give us a reason. You got to give us a good reason, because it's going to be more than just me that's going to be out here making videos about this. Keisha Lance Bottoms doesn't agree with the fact that we should open up, but she's the mayor of Atlanta. That doesn't, cover the whole state. Governor Brian Kemp, why do you want to reopen the state when you're stating that for a fact that the numbers for the coronavirus in the state of Georgia will go up because there's still nothing we can do about it? What is so important about you opening up the state? What is so important about it? I haven't heard about any other states that are opening up. So why do you want to open up the state so bad? You've got to give us a reason. You've got to make sense of this. I'm hoping the president steps in and does the right thing and lets him know, hey, no, this is not going to happen. Because I'm sorry, me and my family, we still not going out the house. I don't care what you open up. We still not going out the house. Don't get me wrong. I've been waiting to go back to work. And May the 15th will be, obviously, that'll be the first day where everything will be back open. Clubs and bars, those are the businesses that I provide my services to. And also all the events that, go on in Atlanta will be back open or back, where you can set to the date. But I'm still afraid. I take this so serious because I had it. I was in the hospital with it. It's a lot of people that still have not met a person that had it. And when I say it, I'm talking about COVID-19, the coronavirus. I tested positive for it. I was in the hospital with pneumonia. I almost died. So I definitely take this very, very serious. Probably a little bit more serious than a lot of other people, because there's still people that I've been meeting and they're like, yeah, I ain't never met nobody who had it. I'm like, well, I'm standing right here in your face, brother. I literally just was talking to a guy the other day at the gas station. He was like, yeah, I take my precautions, man, but I still be feeling like, it's some BS because I don't know nobody who ever had it, or I don't know nobody who got sick from it. And I told him my story, and he was like, wow. I spoke to one of the owners today from one of the other venues. They didn't know that I had been sick. So they called just to see how I had been doing. And I told them what had been going on and what had happened. And they was like, wow, dude, you the first person that I know personally that actually had it. And I'm like, yeah, man, it's a serious thing. But again, Governor Kemp, you need to make a better choice, my man. If you can literally sit here and say that you know for a fact these numbers are going to rise and more people are probably going to die, you got a better decision you need to make. And just give up the money, man. Just give up the money. The state got it. You got your money. You land up in your house and you chilling. You got your money. Let these people get this money that's been allotted for us. Save lives. Don't try to save money. That's all I got to say about that.